Welcome to the I Believe in Myself guided meditation. Retreat to a quiet place and make yourself comfortable. You may sit or lie down. Just ensure that whatever position you take, you can maintain comfortably for the duration of this meditation. Let's relax. Start by taking a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. With every breath in, you inhale total relaxation. With every breath out, you release doubt and tension. Exhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you feel negativity churning with you or an unhelpful thought cropping up, just dismiss it without a second thought. Those thoughts have no place here. They are not welcome. Your focus is on the here and now. Allow the sensation of air entering your body to overwhelm your body. Feel it as it enters through your nostrils and exits from your lips. Inhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With every breath, you feel yourself sink deeper into the floor. It feels as though you are blending with it, becoming one with the support around you. You are completely relaxed. Now clear your mind. It is completely white and clear. You are standing at the top of a long staircase. As you cast your eyes to the bottom of the stairs, you recognize a state of calm, relaxation, and peace. Inhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a step down the stairs. Every step you take moves you closer toward the state of calm, relaxation, and peace. With each step you feel your arms relax, your legs relax, your neck relaxes, and when you finally reach the bottom, you feel practically limp with relaxation. Inhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let your mind drift as your body fully relaxes. You feel heavy, you are comfortable, you are relaxed. Inhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen to my voice now as I repeat these affirmations. Allow your mind to drift as I speak. You are calm. You are confident. You always succeed. You are capable. You can achieve any goal. You can face anything life throws your way. You remain positive no matter what you face. Your focus is on your success and your happiness. You are naturally confident and successful. You are worthwhile. Inhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You deserve happiness. You deserve happiness in difficult circumstances. You can handle any problem you face. You are strong. You are okay. You are a good person. You accept yourself. You are kind to yourself. You will look after your emotional self. You will look after your physical self. You are okay. Inhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want you to repeat these affirmations after me. I am calm. I am confident. I always succeed. I am capable. I can achieve any goal. I can face anything life throws my way. I will remain positive no matter what I face. My focus is on my success and my happiness. I am naturally confident and successful. I am worthwhile. Inhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I deserve happiness. I deserve happiness in difficult circumstances. I can handle any problem I face. I am strong. I am okay. I am a good person. I accept myself. I will be kind to myself. I will look after my emotional self. I will look after my physical self. I am okay. I believe in myself always. Inhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Allow your mind to continue drifting. Let it relax and allow yourself to accept these affirmations as true. Allow these affirmations to instill you with a strong sense of self-assurance and self-confidence. Notice how much better you feel about yourself now. You feel calmer. You feel more confident. Hold on to this self-esteem. Hold on to this feeling of confidence your body is teeming with. You will continue to feel good long after this meditation comes to a close. Inhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will be positive. I will succeed. I am confident. I am capable. I believe in myself always. Inhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am powerful. I believe in the person I am. I love myself for who I am. I will find a way. I believe in myself always. Inhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am going to count backward from 10, and when I reach 1, you can take your time and open your eyes to resume your day. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.